Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to connect n8n to WordPress. First, go to the n8n platform and make sure you log it in. Now, click on Create Workflow in the top right corner. Then click on the plus icon also located at the top right. In the search bar, tap WordPress and select it from the list. You'll now see several available actions. Click on Create a Post. Next, click on Select Credential and choose Create New Credential. Enter your WordPress username and password in the required fields. Then type in your WordPress site URL. Once all details are filled, click Save. Now go back to the workflow and choose the resource you want to work with, such as post, page, user, or custom API call. Then select the operation you want, like create, get many, update, or custom API call. After that, enter the title for your post. You can also add other fields like another name or ID, content, slug, password, status, and more depending on what details you want to include. Finally, go back to the main workflow and check everything to make sure it's set up correctly. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.